How to create and use objects. An object is just a collection of variables and methods that the class has, and it represents the class. Now, to create an object, we first have the class over here, student, and we have the constructor in it with this name and age, and we write greet. This is one method that we have made, and we print hello. Now we create the object by writing the variable, any variable. So I've written st is equal to the class name. So in this case I have student and then rounded brackets. Now to access the method of the class, we write the object name dot the method name. So I've written st dot greet. Now to set the value of the object, I'll write st name is equal to enter student's name, and st age enter student's age. So I'll print the details here. So I write you enter the following details. And write name, self dot name, and age, self dot age. And we call this function also. Oh, I have to write the variables within the object of the constructor. So we write s underscore name and s underscore age before actually creating the object, and here we write s underscore name and s underscore age as parameters. And now when we run this code, we get it asks for a student. It tells us to enter the student's name, so I write Lisa, and to enter the student's age, so I've written 6. So it first runs the program. It first runs the method greet, so it writes hello, and then it runs the method print details, so it writes you enter the following details: name Lisa and age 6. So this is how you create object of a class in Python, and run and use that object in a code.